Next example is x cube plus 1 into minus x square plus 5x minus 6 into x minus 2 to the power 8 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 3 into x minus 3 to the power 10 is less than equal to 0. So this problem we have to solve. So how to solve this one? So this is inequalities. So first we have to check one of the side is 0 or not. So you can say this side is 0. Alright. So first step is done. Now how to solve? So what you will do, this is x cube plus 1, so we will try to factorize this one. So x cube plus 1 factor is what? X plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. Okay, this is what? Minus x square plus 5x minus 6. So we will try to take from here minus common. So if we take minus common, what will come? Minus 1 into x square minus 5x plus 6, and this is what? X minus 2 to the power 8 divided by this one is x plus 1, this is x plus 3, this is x minus 3 to the power 10 is less than equal to 0. Now what you will do here, this is minus 1, so here we will do minus 1 multiply. Okay, multiply minus 1, multiply minus 1. So if you are multiplying minus 1, what will come here? Minus 1 into this one is as it is x plus 1. Okay, and this one, if you check this one, this is quadratic equation, so we have to factorize this one. So you can check x square minus x plus 1. Discriminant, if you check b square 1 minus 4, a is what? 1, c is 1, so what will come? 4 only will come. So discriminant is what? Minus 3. Coefficient of x square is what? 1, that is greater than 0. So discriminant is negative, coefficient of x square is what? Positive, so we can say x square minus x plus 1 is always greater than 0 for all x belongs to R. Okay, this is always positive, so we can remove this one. Okay, then this is what? Minus 1, so minus 1 will come here. This is what we can factorize this one. What will come? X minus 2 into x minus 3. This is x minus 2 whole power 8 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 3 into x minus 3 to the power 10, and you are multiplying with negative, so this will come, inequality sign will change, so this is greater than equal to 0 will come. 0 into minus 1, this will come. So minus 1 is what? Plus 1. So what will come here? X plus 1, x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 2 power 8 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 3 into x minus 3 to the power 10 is greater than equal to 0 will come. Okay, after this we will find out first critical point. Okay, see here x plus 1, here x plus 1, don't cancel this one. Without finding critical point, we will not cancel these two. Okay, and we will not simplify also, will not simplify. So first we will find out critical points. So critical point is what? Critical point. So whenever equation is coming, first we will find out denominator critical point. Okay, denominator is becoming 0, that point we will find out. So you know denominator is becoming 0, then it will come as undefined. Okay, it will come as undefined, so that point is always not included. So here denominator critical point is what? X equal to minus 1, minus 3 and 3, and you can see these critical points lies on these three critical points, denominator will become 0. So from here we can say that x should not be minus 1, x should not be minus 3, x should not be 3, that we can say. Now we will check critical point in numerator. So critical point numerator, you check this one is what? X plus 1. So from here what will come? Minus 1 will come. So minus 1 is already not included, and we already written this critical point, so no need to write. Correct? X equal to 2. Okay, so at x equal to 2, numerator will become 0, but denominator is what? Non-zero only. So x equal to 2 is critical point, and this is included because we want equal to 0. Then at x equal to 3, you can see numerator will become 0, but at same point denominator is also becoming 0. That means 0 by 0, 0 by 0 is what? Undefined only. So same thing, x should not be 3, x should not be 3. So this is not included. Then here x minus 2 to the power 8. So here numerator will become 0, but x equal to 2 is already written. So this critical point is already written. So after writing critical points, we will simplify this one. Okay, so here we can say x plus 1 getting cancelled. So this one we can write like that. Okay, x minus 2 into x minus 2 power 8. So this will come out x minus 2 power what will come 9. Okay, Then x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 to the power 10. So denominator is what? X minus 3 to the power 9. X minus 3 to the power 9. And this is what? X plus 3. X plus 3. And this we want greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. So now what we will do? We will draw these critical points. Minus 1, minus 3, 3 and 2 we will draw. Okay. So x equal to x minus 3 we will write first. Minus 3. And you can see minus 3 is what? Not equal to. So x should not be minus 3. And here we are writing open circle. Correct. Next what we will come? Minus 1. And minus 1 is x should not be minus 1. So this also open circle only. X should not be minus 1. Then what will come? X equal to 2. And 2 is equal to possible. So x equal to 2 is what? Solid circle, because x equal to 2 is possible. Next is what? X not equal to 3. So 3 is also not equal to. So this also will write open circle. Now what we will do? We will take a point on right hand side. So you can take 4. So if you put 4 here, so this is positive, this is positive, this is positive. So this side will come what? Positive. Now what you will do? If I take 3 this side, so what will come here? X minus 3. Now you have to check x minus 3. So x minus 3 is what? This one. So this one power is odd. That means this sign we have to change. So from positive to negative it will come. Then what will come? X equal to 2. So if I take 2 this side, what will come? X minus 2. This factor if you check, so x minus 2 power is 9. Power is odd, then sign will change. So this is negative, this will come out positive. Then you check this one. So if I take minus 1 this side, what will come? X plus 1. Okay. Now if you check here x plus 1, so you can see here x plus 1 is not there. That was what we can take here, x plus 1 power we can take 0. Okay, if it is not there, that means power should be 0. X plus 1 power is what? 0. Then what will come? This is 1 only. So power is 0 we can take. If it is not there in this equation, that means we can take x plus 1 to the power 0. And 0 is what? Even number. Okay, so power is even, that means sign will not change. So this is positive, this will also positive. Then this will come. So if we take minus 3 this side, what will come? X plus 3. So x plus 3 is what? This one. Power is what? Odd. So we have to change the sign. Positive to negative will come. And then this side what we want? This side should be greater than or equal to 0. That means this side should be what? Positive or 0. So positive here, this one, and this portion, and this portion. Okay, so how to write? This portion is not your solution. Then what will come? X belongs to this portion will come. So minus 3 is not included, and minus 1 also not included. Union, this portion also we have to write. So what will come? Minus 1 to 2. 2 is included. Union. Then this portion we have to write. So what will come? Open bracket 3 to infinite. This is your answer. Next problem is minus x plus 1 to the whole power 3 into x minus 2 to the power 3 into x plus 3 to the power 7 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 into minus of x cube plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. So this problem we have to solve. Okay, so how to solve? So first thing is what? One of the side is 0, that is already there. Next what you will do? This is what? Minus x plus 1 to the power 3. So first thing what you will take, here we will take minus common. So what will go here? Minus 1 into x plus 1 to x minus 1 to the power 3. This is x minus 2 to the power 3 as it is. This is x plus 3 to the power 7 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 we will factorize. So what will come here? X minus 2 into x minus 3 and minus x cube plus 1. So here you will take minus common. So minus 1 is common. What will come? X cube minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So you can see here minus 1 minus 1. So this will come out plus 1. So what will come here? X minus 1 whole cube into x minus 2 whole cube into x plus 3 to the power 7 divided by this is x minus 2 into x minus 3. X cube minus 1 we can factorize like x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Now this is quadratic equation, so we have to factorize this one. So you can see x square plus x plus 1, x square plus x plus 1. This is quadratic equation. Discriminant is what? B square 1 minus 4, a is 1, c is 1. So 4 into 1 into 1. So discriminant will come out minus 3. And if you check coefficient of x square is what? 1. That is greater than 0. So discriminant is minus 3 negative and coefficient of x square is greater than 0. So we can say that x square plus x plus 1 is always greater than 0 for all x belongs to R. So if it is always positive, then what we can do here, we can remove this one. We can remove this one. So what will come here? X minus 1 to the power 3 into x minus 2 to the power 3 into x plus 3 to the power 7 divided by x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 1. This will come greater than or equal to 0. See here you can see that x minus 2 whole cube and divided by x minus 2 is there. So don't cancel directly. First we have to write critical point. So before cancelling we have to write critical points. So what are the critical points are there? Critical points. So what are the critical points are there? See where this equation becomes 0 or undefined. Okay. So first thing critical point you check denominator. Okay. Denominator critical point first we have to check. See x equal to 2, then denominator will become 0. So x equal to 2. Okay. Now here you check x equal to 2, this will become undefined. So x should not be 2. Okay. X should not be 2. So 2 is critical point where x should not be 2. Similarly x equal to 3, denominator will become 0. So x should not be 3. Okay. And x equal to 1, denominator will become, so x should not be 1. So 1, 2, 3, 1. These are the critical point. But x value should not be 2, should not be 3 and should not be 1. Similarly numerator. X equal to 1, denominator will become 0. But x equal to 1 is denominator also there. So x is not equal to 1 only will come. Okay. Next x equal to 2. X equal to 2 is also critical point because here numerator becomes 0. But as well as denominator also becoming 0. So this should not be 2. And x equal to minus 3. Minus 3 is included because at minus 3 only numerator will become 0. So that we have to write. So here you can see that whenever you are writing critical point, then denominator critical point always not included. Okay, denominator critical point is always not included. So denominator critical point is 2, 3, 1. So x should not be 2, x should not be 3, x should not be 1. If it is numerator also there, the same critical point, then also it is not included. Correct? After writing this one, we can simplify this one. So what will come here? This is x minus 1 to the power 3. This is what x minus 1. So what will come here? X minus 1 whole square. X minus 1 whole square. This is what x minus 2 whole cube divided by x minus 2. So this will come out x minus 2 whole square. X minus 2 whole square. Then x plus 3 to the power 7. X plus 3 to the power 7 divided by what will come? X minus 3. X minus 3. This should be greater than or equal to 0. So now we will draw number line. After simplification you will draw number line. Then these critical points we will draw on number line. So what are the critical points? Are minus 3, 1, 2, 3. So we will draw on number line. So minus 3. So you can see minus 3 is what? Included, because x equal to minus 3 is possible. Okay, x equal to minus 3 is possible. So we have to write solid circle. X equal to 1 and x equal to 2 and x equal to 3 are not equal to. So x equal to 1 is not included. X equal to 2 is not equal to, and x equal to not equal to. Correct? So x should not be 1, x should not be 2 and x should not be 3. We will draw. Okay. So here open circle. Why? Because these values are not possible. X should not be 2, x should not be 3, x should not be 1. That's why we are writing open circle. Now one by one we start. If you take any value greater than 3, suppose you are taking 4. So 4 minus 1 whole square, this is always positive. This is also positive. This is also positive, and this is also positive. So what will come here? Positive. So here we can write positive. Okay. Next, this side if you want. So what you will do? If you take 3 this side, what will come? X minus 3. Okay. So x minus 3 factor we will check. Okay. So x minus 3 is this factor. Here power is what? 1. So power is odd. So we have to change the sign. So this is positive. This side is what? Negative sign will come. Now for this side, what you have to check? You take this to this side. So what will come here? X minus 2. So you have to check x minus 2 factor. So x minus 2 power is what? 2. Power is even. So same sign will come. So this is negative. Same sign we will repeat. Negative only will come. Then x not equal to 1. So here what will come? X. If you take 1 this side, so x minus 1 will come. So x minus 1 we have to check. X minus 1 whole square. Here also power is even. So same sign will repeat. So this is negative. Here also will come negative. Next is what? This one. So here is what? X plus 3 to the power. X plus 3 will come. Okay, if you take minus 3 this side, x plus 3 will come. So you have to check x plus 3, and this one power is what? 7. Power is odd, so we have to change the sign. So this is negative, this is positive will come. Okay, now we want this side should be greater than or equal to 0. That means this side should be greater than, so we can say positive or 0. We want this side should be positive or 0. So we have to check where it is positive and where it is 0. So you can see this one is positive, this portion will come, and here it is positive. Okay, this side is negative, so not included. This point is not included. This is not included because negative. This also not included, and this is also negative, so this is also not included. So what are we going to? X belongs to minus infinity to minus 3. Minus 3 is included. These things not included, not included, not included. Now here x should not be 3. So union 3 is open until infinity it will go. So this is your answer.